to new trading week. Okay, so as usual, in the start of every new week, I usually do a top-down analysis so that I will also have my market narratives. That is, the levels I'm expecting price to draw up to. So since it's the start of a new week, we head over to the weekly chart, which we currently have, and I actually trade just gold, XAUUSD. So, okay, we saw that in the previous week we highlighted this imbalance here, this buy side imbalance. We saw that price created a relative equal low and price rallied, filled in this gap, and new week price was heading in the up direction, which is this level. So this our objective has been met. So I'll go back to reiterate and say I I expect price to usually draw to areas of inefficiencies, and which is the same thing as fair value gaps or imbalances and levels of liquidity. And I do consider the imbalance as weekly imbalance, monthly imbalance, daily imbalance. Those are the imbalances I consider on the higher time frame. While I do consider the imbalance on the 1 hour for my executions. So why for liquidity, I consider relative equal lows and highs. I do consider daily highs and daily lows, weekly highs and weekly lows, monthly highs and monthly lows. So that has been my overall narrative. So now, this is where our price currently is, and this actually starts of the new week. So judging from here, though we could see this low, we could see this, we could see how far they are apart, and we could see this. So I'm highlighting here as my minor draw on liquidity, and we also have a weekly high created over here. So even if price is, so this is a weekly high, so whatever, you're either expecting price to rally up, sweep here, maybe come down, anything could happen. Yeah, anything does happen on the charts. So but the first priority for me is highlighting these levels of liquidity and letting price form a model to navigate to this area, to these areas. So now that I've been able to spot this area as liquidity, though price could rally here, but there's a high tendency price is going to draw here first. So that's why I have here highlighted, and you see price is already close to this level. I will not be looking for setup to sweep this high. No, so that's why I'm going to leave it unhighlighted. So these are the major areas price could open and decide to rally upward. Definitely. Or price could play whatever it wants to play around here or come down, whatever I'm ready for it. So having done my weekly analysis, I'm heading over to the daily time frame. So what can we see on the daily time frame? So on the daily time frame, we saw that price had, had risen to this our area of imbalance, and it's currently there. It respected the imbalance, daily imbalance. And You can actually spot a relative equal low here, but the thing is, they are actually far apart. In this relative equal low, let's find how many pips apart they are. Okay, it's actually not much of a pip. It is literally like 70 something, 78 pips apart. So price could decide to come down to sweep it, fine. But on many occasions where I have been trading, I have realized that on seeing something like this, price could come down, and instead of coming down to sweep this level, it comes down, sweeps this level, comes down a bit, and maybe rally up. So to be on the safer side, I'm only highlighting this level. So for instance, if I'm on a short now, I'm expecting to take profits at this level, just mainly priced up this level. So I'm going to just take profit at this level and not let price run to this level. Even if price runs to this level and beyond, it's safe to take profit here so that price don't reject and you end up losing the profit you've been making. So I'll be contented taking profit at this level. So what case could we spot on the daily time frame? We could also spot these relative equal highs here. We have a very close relative equal highs here, of which price could come and sweep. Price may sweep this one instantly or may not sweep it and come down. So the same thing I did here, same principle I'm actually applying here as well. So probably we should highlight this. Alright. So if price is heading upward, I'll be looking forward to take profits at this level. I may not hold up to this level, but I could hold up here. Then if price is coming down, I'm looking forward to take profits at this level or this level, or preferably here. Okay. Alright, so over to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can actually see these relative equal lows here, of which here is actually a daily low. So it's best to just take profit at this level in case price is coming down. And we could also see these imbalances here, 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 but whatsoever we'll be holding on to our daily narrative. So we have here we have this level to look up to, and we have this level to look up down to. So which is price going to get to first? Is price going to move down or go up? So whenever I'm taking buys, I usually consider trading from the 1 hour time frame. So first thing we could see is that we have a break of structure here to the upside in the 1 hour time frame. As a change of character continues in the upside. We also have a break of structure here.
Why is this as my open call?
And also a break of structure here. So it's clear. And we have relative equals here. So we have this imbalance, we have this imbalance, we have this target, we have this target above. So currently are there any levels here I'll be seeking to buy or sell from? That's actually a question. If price draws down here, would I look for a buy setup to continue upward? And if price creates a sell setup heading down here, how will I treat these imbalances? Because I think that was the problem I had here. I was actually on a short from here, but I never took profit at this 1 hour imbalance. That's how price kept rallying up, and rather than looking for longs, I was looking for shorts. Using all the opportunities, which was sad. Okay. Alright, so we'll be able to map out our directions. Something. So watch and see how price is going to play out next week. Peace.